Hey everyone, Jason from techAU, and today we've got something to unbox. This is a little package that I got sent, and if it's what I think it is, it's going to be a little bit special. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Get that out of the way. Nice. Okay, so this is, got some stickers, a company called Grid Studio. So they reached out to me. I'd already seen their stuff online, but you know, basically what they do is they take old pieces of technology and they're bringing it more recent, but they'll take like old phones and things like that, and I think they're working on like Nintendo Switches, and so consumer electronics that we kind of know and love, and they frame them. So there's a nice sort of wax stamp there, which is kind of cool and old school. That's done. And so what's in here is a framed, deconstructed version of a phone, and I'll show you which one in a second, and talk to you about why I chose the model that I did. So very nice paper, by the way. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so now here's the final result. So the iPhone 4S, which for me, the reason I chose it is it's back when I was buying iPhones, I'm sort of in the Android camp now, but I bought the 3GS when it first came out. And then the 4S was kind of like, I really love the design of it. Sort of, you've got the flat edges to it. I just really like the design. But so what you see here is the internal components, basically really carefully removed and then assembled and framed, obviously, in detail. Just, it looks amazing. And this is going on the wall of the office because, yeah, I just think this looks really cool, and you can get them, you know, multiple versions of the iPhones. I think they're doing some Androids as well, but as I said, they're moving on to, you know, more recent devices like the Nintendo Switch as well. So if you're into technology and you have some kind of association with previous devices, and you know, I don't know, I just really like the look of this. There's probably a better way to remove this plastic, but I'm gonna get rid of this. So yeah, in the box I've seen there's like a mounting kit for it and stuff on the back, but since you've already got the picture hooks and stuff to get you sorted, but that's it, the iPhone 4S, and yeah, all the different componentry sorted. So it's got a nice little quote down here from Steve Jobs, which is a nice touch, but yeah, a piece of art to go on the wall. So that's it. Thanks guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos in the future.